In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate API credentials, including an app key, secret, and access token, specifically for the Dropbox API. Before we begin, make sure you have a Dropbox account and are logged in. This process is essential if you're a developer or just a tech enthusiast diving into the world of API integrations. Start by logging into your Dropbox account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner where you'll find the More option. Click on it and then select App Center. The App Center is essentially the hub where you can explore and build applications on top of the Dropbox platform. Now, in the App Center, scroll down a bit until you come across the Build an App link under the Manage section. This is your gateway to the developer console, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the developer console, click on the Create Apps button to launch a setup wizard designed to guide you through the process. The first choice you'll have is selecting an API. Dropbox offers different types of APIs, but typically you'll want to select Scoped Access, which allows your app to access specific parts of a user's Dropbox. Next, you'll need to decide on the access type for your app. There are two options: App Folder Only and Full Dropbox. Choose App Folder Only if you want your app to have its private folder within the user's Dropbox. Alternatively, select Full Dropbox if your app needs access to all files and folders. The following step is to give your app a unique name within Dropbox's system. Keep in mind that names must be different from any other app already created, so feel free to get creative. After creating your app, it's time to shift focus to your app's settings within the app console. Here, you'll find something crucial: the app key and app secret. These credentials, sometimes referred to as client ID and client secret, are your app's unique identifiers. As you continue, scroll down to find the OAuth 2 section. Here, click on the Generate button to receive an access token tied to your account, handy for any testing you might want to perform. While you're in the settings, you might notice options to configure permissions or scopes that your app requires. This is optional, but worth considering. For instance, you might want to decide on whether your app can read or write files, manage sharing settings, or even have specialized permissions for use with the Dropbox Business API. Finally, ensure that you securely store your app key, app secret, and access token. It's crucial these details remain confidential and are not exposed in publicly accessible places, like client-side code. Doing so keeps your app safe from unauthorized access. Now you're all set with your Dropbox API credentials, opening up a world of integration possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy developing.